Here are 2 ways to lace Jordan 1 mids. They slip straight on without the need for tying, including loose lacing and bar lacing. Timestamps for each down below. Let's get started. Here's how to lace Air Jordan 1 mids. Start by taking your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the 2 very bottom eyelets on either side, and we're going to go down into those from above. So feed that one through, pull it through a little bit, swap it to the other one, feed that one through, and before you pull all of that excess lace through, take your 2 lace ends and hold them together like this. Take hold of your sneakers and just pull that through, and what this will mean is they'll come out of equal length, and then you can just fix any little twists before we get started. Great, then you want to keep a hold of this lace on this side, and we're going to take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next available eyelet on this side from above, and just pull that through like this, making sure there's no twists. And just take your time with this, you want it to come out really fresh. Then we're going to swap to the other one and do the exact same thing. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Just pull that through until it looks like this. And then we're going to repeat that pattern. Keep a hold of this one first. Take it over the sneaker tongue, down into the next empty eyelet. And just pull that all the way through, making sure you've got no twists. Then swap over to the other one and do the same. Bring it over, just like that. And then we're going to keep going with that pattern. Keep a hold of this one first, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Looking good. Swap to the other one, down into the next empty eyelet on this side. Now you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need, just go at your own pace. Let's continue on with that pattern, so keep a hold of this lace, bring it over, down into the next empty eyelet, swap it over, bring this one down to the next empty eyelet, keep a hold of it, bring it over, swap back to the other one, bring it over. Just like we've been doing, keep a hold of this one. And now we're starting to reach the top eyelets. So let's keep going with this pattern. And bring that one over into there. Now when you have one eyelet left, we're going to do something a little bit different for the loose lacing style. Keep a hold of this lace, bring it through that final eyelet from underneath this time. So not down into it from above, but just bring it from under there and bring it through about this much. Don't worry about this excess lace, we'll sort that in a second. Swap to your other lace, do the same, bring it through the final eyelet from underneath and pull it through about that much. Then take hold of these excess laces and just tuck them behind the sneaker tongue out of the way. And they won't bother your foot, they'll just sit on top of your foot when you slide it in and out of your sneakers. And it shouldn't affect it at all. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose laced Air Jordan 1 mids. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks! Here's how to bar lace Jordan 1 mids. Start by taking hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the 2 very bottom eyelets on either side. So we'll just start with that one. Pull it through a little bit, but not loads. And then smooth out your lace and swap to the other one. Bring it down into this eyelet on this side from above. And then before you pull all the way through, just take a hold of your 2 lace ends together like this. Grab your sneakers and then just pull that through. And what this will mean is that the laces will come out of equal length on either side. Don't worry if yours haven't, just take a minute to make sure each side of your laces are equal before we carry on, and make sure there's no twists. Awesome, let's start our pattern then. Keep a hold of this lace on this side, and what we're going to do is bring the lace end up through this eyelet on this side. So skip an eyelet and instead bring the lace end up through the one above that, like this. Then we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side to make a bar, if that makes sense, like that, leaving these two empty. And then we're going to swap to the other lace and we're going to fill in these two eyelets by bringing this eyelet up through this one from underneath, like this, bringing it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side to fill that. And just wiggle that through. Until we've made another bar. Then take this lace end, bring it underneath that one above it, just so you've got full range of motion to repeat the pattern. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed in the YouTube settings, or you can pause it, just go at your own pace. Great, so let's carry on with the pattern. Keep a hold of this lace and we're going to repeat everything that we just did. So let's do it slowly together. Skip the next empty eyelet and instead bring the lace end up through the one above that from underneath. Then bring the lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side, making sure there's no twists in your laces and your bars are looking nice and crisp. Then we're going to swap back to this other lace and we're going to fill in these empty eyelets by bringing this lace end up through this one from underneath. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side. Until we have another bar. Then we're going to take this lace, bring it up through, up underneath that lace so it can move around. And then we're going to repeat that one more time. Keep a hold of this lace, skip the next empty eyelet, and instead go through the one above from underneath, like that. Now on this bit, you might want to leave this bit of lace a little bit loose so it tucks in nicely behind the sneaker tongue. If you pull it too tight, you might see it there, and it won't look as fresh, so just make sure it's tucked in there. Then keep a hold of this lace, bring it over, and then down to the corresponding eyelet on this side. Pop that out the way. Take a hold of your other one, and then we're going to fill in these two empty eyelets here. So bring this one up through this eyelet from underneath, over the sneaker tongue, and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side to make another bar. Then bring that underneath there. And what you're going to do with these two laces is just tie them in a loose little bow, like this. Go ahead and tuck that behind the tongue out of the way. And that little bow is super soft. It'll just sit on top of your foot when you slip your foot in and out of your sneakers without the need for having to tie them. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of bar lace Jordan 1 mids. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people. And consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you. Thanks guys!